Hello everyone and welcome to our video series on Learn German Grammar. In this video, you will be learning about the question word wann. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for learning German for free and in the easiest way. We offer structured courses for A1, A2, B1 and B2 and a variety of topics from grammar and vocabulary to common mistakes one can make in German. You can visit our page on patreon.com to get free worksheets, podcasts, transcripts, early access to our videos, and more. Fragewort wann. Wann ist ein Temporalfrageadverb und fragt nach dem Zeitpunkt, zu dem etwas stattfindet. A temporal question adverb that asks about the time at which something takes place or took place. Let's look at some questions. And here is the first one. Wann kommst du? Wann kommst du? All the Wir-Wörter stand at the first position in a question followed by the verb. Wann beginnt der Unterricht? Wann beginnt der Unterricht? Wann kommt der Bus an? Wann kommt der Bus an? These questions, starting with wann, are mostly answered with temporal prepositions or temporal adverbs. Im Januar, am 6. Oktober, 13 Uhr, vorgestern. These are a few examples to answer the questions with wann. Wann benutzt man Modalverben? Wann benutzt man Modalverben? Some of the questions with wann are answered with conjunctions like wenn and als. And sometimes wann can also be used together with a temporal preposition to show the duration of something that has a beginning and an end. Seit wann wartest du hier? Seit wann wartest du hier? The answers to these questions are with the same prepositions as in the question. Here the answer could be seit 2 Stunden. Let's look at another one. Bis wann muss ich die Medikamente nehmen? Bis wann muss ich die Medikamente nehmen? And here you could answer bis nächste Woche. Do you know any questions that begin with wann? Do write them in the comment section below. Hope you enjoyed this lesson. To practice what you have learned, become a patron free of cost and download a free worksheet from our page on patreon.com. All links can be found below in the description. You can also gain access to our transcripts by becoming a $1 patron and to our podcasts by becoming a $5 patron. Danke! Thanks for watching this video. If you liked this video, do give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you still haven't. You can click on the bell to receive notifications whenever we upload a new video. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them in the comments section below. Tschüss, auf Wiedersehen!